Off to rescue a pigeon in a corridor. Very, very boring. Should be absolutely dead easy. So I should probably eat my words. It's going to be really difficult, but we'll find out later on. If it is that easy, there's going to be a twist on this rescue. Mark my words. Right, let's go. I will take 2 poles and 2 nets, but I can't see we're going to need them. Take huge nets. It might be a massive pigeon. Right, that'll do, guys.
Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Much right. There's a pigeon. Yeah. So, this is a real tricky rescue, and as Abbey has never done a rescue before, I'm going to take her camera and she's going to catch the pigeon. Watch the space. So Abby's always behind the camera. In this instance, she's in front of the camera. So let's see how she does. So the pigeon is giving Abbey the run around. Laurie, give her a hand just in case.
Yeah, can you? You're literally going to stick your hat onto it so you're going to have it in there.
Okay, right, so we've got Laurie one side, Abbey the other. Let's see what happens. Gently to the wall.
I did catch it.
You did? One pigeon. Is he nice and fat?
Yeah, really, really fat.
So it'll be a rescue release. So we're now in the loo and pigeon's about to go.
Ready?
Yeah. Pigeon went.
Bye-bye, pigeon.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the red button. And make sure you hit the bell to get notifications of our latest content. If you want to help us save wildlife, please donate. Every £1 you give will help us to save more wildlife.